What's up, West Coast Swing fans? In this video, we're gonna cover a same side whip where the leader stays on the same side of the slot. But make sure you stay to the end of the video because Megan and I did a cool video entitled 11 Whips You Need to Know for West Coast Swing. And the same side whip was one of them, but there's 10 more awesome variations that you need to know, and we'll show you at the end. But let's do the same side whip.
Ooh, it's a fun one.
This is different footwork for the leaders, same for the followers. This is a basic whip from Miss Megan.
It is a whip with an inside turn for the followers.
3 and 4 it is. Oh, 5, 6, look at that. So for the leaders, this is quite fun. I like to do this. There's a bunch of variations. We'll throw some variations in, but leaders, we're on the same side for the whole whip. 1, 2, 3, and instead of going across the slot, I go down the slot for count 4. I close my feet for 5, back in the slot for 6, 7, and 8. It looks like this. Get to our little front here. We have 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And again, this works really well if the follower delays on the 3 and. 1, 2, 3, and. Yes, that way it's me that either steps across for the regular whip or steps sideways and sends her down. The only thing for this that you have to do as the leaders is there's a little chicken wing action with this right arm. I'm going to do it right here so you can see. 1, 2, 3, and 4. We're still at arm's length. Now I'm closing and I need to get her to step. So I need to kind of shorten this arm to feed her across for 6, 7, and 8. One more time from this side. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So here's another thing, another technique tip before we get to whip number 9 is, and you might have even watched it, exactly what do you do with your feet in the whip? And more importantly than exactly what you do are the principles. The principles being, I have to lead Megan, I have to get out of the way. Now, if I do this, 1, 2, is that valid? Or can I do this, 1, 2, doesn't matter. One time, Mr. Mario Rabao, the great Mario Rabao, let's see if I can do this, did this to me. He went 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Can you see what I did there? You don't even know. He did it on the wrong foot. So he did it on the follower's footwork, right, where he did 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. That's hard to do. But the reason why it still works is the principles are the same, right? Even though I'm on the wrong foot, I'm leading Megan 3 and, right? We're delayed. I'm stepping across, but using my body to lead her across for count 4. That's really weird. 5, 6. 6 is back in the slot, 7, and 8. So more importantly than your exact footwork are the principles, right? So, all right, as promised, here is the video for 11 whips you need to know for West Coast Swing, but maybe cooler if you're serious about West Coast Swing. I've got a free gift. It is our pattern tree chart. It will show you how all the patterns that we teach relate back to the basic push, pass, and whip. So in this case, we're talking whips. So you'll be able to see the basic whip, whip with an inside turn, and so on and so forth to the coolest whips you know. You can download it here for free. We'll see you on the other side.